Can you turn all the vocals up just a little bit on the monitors? Check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Check, check.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Mine sounds wonderful. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
All right. And vocals, please. And all vocals sound muffled. If you can give us just a little bit of highs out there.
Yeah.
And raise them up, please. Thank you. Check.
Yes.
1, 2.
Very muffled.
All right, 1, 2.
Check.
1, 2, 1, 2, mic check. Jesse, 1, 2. A little bit more highs, still muffled. 1, 2. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, mic check.
Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Something. Almost sounds like high zero. Check 1, 2. There's like no clarity to it. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2.
Check, check. 1, 2.
Check. Is it this?
1, 2. Check, mic check. Jesse, 1, 2.
Your sound the same too. Check 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2. Yeah, they're muffled. Check. Check 1, 2. The highs are probably out on the monitors, I'm guessing. Check. I think you sound like they're out. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check.
All right, that's good. This out there, I want to up a little bit, okay? Just so we can kind of blend it with the whole mix. Just because it's muffled on all our vocals, especially his. Go ahead.
Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
A little bit more high than it.
Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Because y'all on the monitor already.
So what do you want out there, Eli? What do you want out there?
Just raise it up just a little bit.
Oh yeah, I'll bring the mains up, yeah.
I got somebody who buzzles something.
Okay.
Tree.
Here we go. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Morning on monitors, please.
Yeah, turn all our vocals up, please, on the monitor. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's good. Go ahead and play their mix we have. That's fine.